To get started, I have baked a batch of my super delicious chocolate mud cake recipe. If you want this recipe, click here. I've divided my batter into 4 6-inch round cakes. I baked these and let them cool. Now I'm going to remove them from the pans and level them so that they have a nice flat surface. Here I have some vanilla buttercream frosting, which I've dyed into 4 separate colors and divided into 4 different piping bags. And my inspiration for the frosting colors come from these Easter eggs. These are the Hershey's Easter eggs. These are so delicious, and I'm going to be using these to decorate my cake as well. To begin assembling the cake, I have one of my cake layers on a cake board, and I'm going to start by piping a ring of the blue buttercream around the border of the cake, and I'm filling each cake layer with this delicious cookies and cream buttercream. If you guys would like to see a tutorial on how I make my vanilla buttercream and how I make this delicious cookies and cream buttercream, let me know in the comments down below and I will bring a tutorial for you guys. For the second cake layer, I am using my yellow buttercream, piping a border around and filling it with the cookies and cream buttercream again. And for the final layer, I'm piping a ring of pink buttercream, filling it with the cookies and cream filling, and adding the final cake layer on top. Then I go ahead and I pipe rings of the colored buttercream around the cake. I'm only using the colored buttercream because I had more colored buttercream left over than white buttercream. But if you wanted to make extra buttercream and make this entire cake this beautiful ombre sunset effect, that would look so nice. After the crumb coat, I give the cake a final coat of white buttercream to finish it off. Now I'm going to make the bunny ears. So I have some melted white chocolate that I've added onto a piping bag, and I've just cut a really small tip, and I'm going to freeform the bunny ears. As you can see, I'm adding some extra white chocolate towards the bottom of the ears, and I'm going to run this down with the fondant tool because this is going to be the part that we're going to be sticking into the cake. I use one of my sharp fondant tools to blend and smooth the white chocolate all over. And I set this to the side. Before they completely firm up, we're going to add the pink part of the bunny ears. So I have some pink fondant and I'm just freeforming the pink inside part of the bunny ears. And I'm going to add this onto the white chocolate before it sets up and then place these in the refrigerator. To make the bunny feet, I grab 2 small balls of fondant and I flatten these out slightly. I create 2 slits on either side of both paws. And as you can see, it looks like cute little bunny paws. And I'm going to add the pink bunny feet print inside. I place these in the front part of the cake. Now I'm going to create the bunny's cute little nose area. So I grabbed 2 balls of white fondant, I flatten them out, and I squish these slightly together. And I add these right over the bunny paws. I create a cute little upside down pyramid shape for the bunny's nose. And using some black fondant, I'm going to create a winged eyeliner effect for the bunny's eyes. Now that the bunny ears are completely set, we're going to add that long part that we made at the bottom of the bunny ears. We're going to stick that right through the top of the cake. Be very gentle because these are delicate. Using the colored buttercream that I showed you earlier, I'm going to use different piping tips and create cute piping rosettes all over the top part of the bunny's head. Now to finish the cake off, we're going to use those Easter eggs that I showed you in the beginning of the video, and I'm going to make a beautiful Easter crown around the border of the bunny's head. I placed this beautiful Easter bunny cake onto a glass cake stand, and I'm going to add more Easter eggs around the whole bottom perimeter of the cake, and I'm also going to add these cute Easter floral plants. And this beautiful Easter cake is complete. This will surely be a showstopper for your Easter dinner or event. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now we're going to cut this open so you can see how beautiful it looks on the inside.